hello. No, I didn't notice it was Tuesday. This upload should have been out already. So, what I was going to show you is we're going to try it with the sweet peppers one more time. And this is what we're going with. I can't read that either, to be honest with you. I just know how to plant them. So I put in another light. I'll show you here in a moment. But we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle them in. Here in my hand. I'm really sorry about this. Hold on a moment. And now I've already moistened the soil. And all I really have to do I have my handy dandy little... I do indeed. Here we go. Yes, someone was so kind to get me little tools with my name on them. That is my name, isn't it? I do believe it is. So, anyway, here we go. And we're just going to rake those in. I'll do a better job with my hand. Yeah. And then I come by and mist them. We'll see what's going on with them in my next update. But we're going to try with the sweet peppers again. And I'm hoping not to have too much bloom for them. See, you just want to give them a little bit of a little slight covering. Maybe an 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch. So, there you have it. Let me show you the new light I put in. This was its brother. I was using it for all this time. It's a... You pronounce that. Phlizon? I think it's like 1500 watts. I've been using this one, and that one I got from Walmart for $18. Does a pretty good job. But these two can connect to one another. And so I took its brother and I brought it in here to extend the light coverage that I have. That's why we're putting in these peppers today, and I've extended this garden out some. I'd turn it on for you, but it would totally blind you. But as you can see, they hook into one another. So it saves me extension cords and everything else. One handles it all. And that's all I really have for you today. Let's go back down here for a moment. So far the can is doing great, but we're going to extend this area out some. And we're going to have to do something about this area as well. I thought, why not include this at the same time? Because this is a death zone. Right here, it's a death zone. That's where the heater, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, the heater, it just fried everything. Julian's did. Ave the wizard, Avery Drossbane, he won, he named it, but I boiled it, and when I pulled it up to see why the poor little thing died, it's because it boiled it. So that's the death zone. All this stuff can stay here, but with this light here like this, it's going to put out a lot more light than they need. So we're going to make a solid room, but that's for another day. This is just about peppers, actually. You guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll speak with you later. Bye.